In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure polyline length in AutoCAD. We will keep it simple and precise by using two built-in approaches. First, the Properties palette, which is the most direct way to see a polyline's length at a glance. Then, the List command, which provides a more detailed readout, including additional information like enclosed area when applicable. Let's start with the Properties palette. Make sure you are working with a polyline rather than a series of individual line segments. A polyline is a single connected object, and AutoCAD reports its overall length as one value. Click to select the polyline in your drawing. With it selected, press Ctrl+1 to open the Properties palette. If you prefer typing, you can also enter Properties on the command line and press Enter. The palette will appear, usually docked to the side. Look for the section labeled Geometry. In that section, you'll see a field called Length. That value is the total length of your selected polyline, shown in your current drawing units. If you selected multiple objects, the fields may display as varied, so be sure only one polyline is highlighted. A helpful tip: you can leave the Properties palette open and simply click other polylines to see their lengths update instantly without rerunning any command. Now let's look at the List command for a more comprehensive report. You can begin by selecting the polyline first, or by starting the command. Either order works. Type List or the shortcut LI on the command line and press Enter. If you haven't already selected the polyline, click it now, then press Enter again. AutoCAD will display a detailed text report of the selected object. In that report, look for the length value. If your polyline is closed, the List output will also include the enclosed area, which can be useful for quick checks without creating a separate region. You will also see other properties, like layer and vertex information, which can help with troubleshooting or documentation. When you are done reviewing, you can press ESC to return to the drawing and repeat the process for other polylines as needed. Both methods are built-in, accurate, and require no extra setup. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.